Let's talk about one of the biggest productivity killers in business: IT problems. For companies that rely on technology, even minor issues can disrupt workflows, lower morale, and impact revenue. For example, network downtime alone can cost each employee an entire week of productivity every year. To get ahead of these problems, it's essential to both address current issues and prepare for future ones. Gillani, CEO of Microtech USA, says, "The key to overcoming IT problems lies in both addressing current issues and preparing for future challenges. By staying proactive, you not only reduce IT disruptions, but also lower your exposure to cyber threats, protecting sensitive data and keeping your business running smoothly." Where to start? Begin by assessing your technology infrastructure to identify outdated or inefficient components. Then, ask your team about their daily tech struggles to uncover recurring pain points. Examining security measures and system performance data can also help reveal vulnerabilities. Once you've identified issues, focus on solutions. Common problems like network downtime, compliance management, and remote work security can often be addressed with proactive strategies, such as redundant network connections and automated patch management. For legacy system integration, middleware and APIs can help bridge the gaps. The takeaway: with a proactive approach and the right support, you can resolve many common IT problems before they disrupt your business. For a deeper dive into each of these solutions, read the full article on our website. And if you found this episode helpful, add us to your playlist to stay updated.